This is scapular retractions. Scapular retractions, really great rehab, but also just a good warm-up and a good exercise that we like to teach to work on good shoulder posture, right? And just work on strengthening of the posterior shoulders, right? We do a lot of rounding here. We want to work the opposite of that, okay? So how I'm going to teach you today, what we're going to do, I'm going to stand sideways, and you're going to stand nice and tall with your arms straight out, right at 90 degrees, okay? So hands are at shoulder height. Now from here, I'm going to keep my elbows locked out. I'm going to try to reach away, okay? I'm not here, I'm still nice and tall. I'm reaching away with my shoulders. Now from here, I'm going to pull back in, squeezing my shoulder blades together. Okay, reaching away, pull back in, squeeze shoulder blades together. My abs are staying tight as I reach away, pull back in. Okay, so I'm really getting the upper back of my shoulders working here to set me up for that good shoulder posture. So that is your scapular retraction.